Thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabadra Networks. It's a purely networking company, and we proud to say we are part of Startup India as well as part of MSME Government of India. And here we teach you Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto courses. What do you mean by Cisco? What do you mean by Juniper? What do you mean by Palo Alto? Okay, so everything I will explain you at the right time. Okay, so I will explain you initially about the technology, and then I can talk about these products. Cisco is a very biggest product based company, same as Juniper and Palo Alto. Okay, so before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Goud. I have total 12 years of experience in networking domain. So out of these 12 years, I worked as a tech engineer for almost 5 years in Nokia, Juniper, Okay, so the thing is, I interacted with global customers like APAC, EMEA, AMER, and we implemented. I mean, when I was in tech, right, environment, so we used to interact with the global customers and resolve the critical issues. Later, I moved to Amazon. We used to take care of Amazon data centers. Now I'm working in Oracle as a senior NDE. Okay, I'm working behind the data centers, the AI data centers. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the important role of network engineer inside the AI data center. Everything I will cover in this demo session. Okay. So my vision is I want to deliver these concepts, networking concepts at packet level. What do you mean by packet level? See, with Wireshark analysis. So
From the
pack.
scratch.
Sorry, what is that? Okay. So I want to explain everything with packet capture analysis. No one is doing now. Okay, at CCNA level, no one will explain you at Wireshark analysis with Wireshark analysis. So I'm giving here a TAC engineer training. TAC means, what do you mean by TAC? I'll tell you. After a few minutes. Okay, so let's understand what is this technology. Before that, as I said, right, this is not at all a institute. Don't compare this training with institutions. Okay. And what is it? It's a purely industrial training with real world projects. So whatever I implemented in real world environment, right, like data center environment, service provider environment, and enterprise architectures, those real world projects we are giving here. 80% or all are real world labs. Only 20% is theory. The 20% also you need to tell in interview, right? In interview you need to explain, right? That's why we gave that theory. So all are we are learning every concept, using real time projects. Okay. Yeah. So now, what is this technology? So currently a lot of people doesn't aware of what is networking. Simple, guys. Internet. Everyone using internet, right? 5G broadband, everyone. So internet, without internet there is nothing in this world. So internet backend, how exactly things works, how exactly you are able to send your data high in your WhatsApp, how you are uploading images, videos in your Instagram, how are you accessing your YouTube. So in internet you can access anything, right? What exactly behind the internet? Okay, so this networking is all about internet. Okay, this networking, this courses, this technology is all about internet. So you guys are using internet, but you are not aware of what exactly is happening at the back end. Okay, that's where you know the usage, but you don't know the back end process. If you learn the back end process, you are the network engineer. And these network engineer roles part of IT only. In under IT, you have software engineers and network engineers. They are giving equal payroll. In big product based companies, they used to call SDE, software development engineer. Networking side, networking development engineer. Currently, I'm working as a NDE, senior NDE. So they're giving a equal payrolls, and also it is having a huge demand. There is no layoffs for this role. You will come to know at the end why this technology is that much is important, why it is growing like a rocket. Okay, so let's understand how internet works. You know very well, you will get internet connection. One is broadband, right? through broadband you'll get internet connection. You'll This is called one optical converter. You will see they will lay a fiber cable at your home, and this will convert into ethernet cable. It's electrical signals. It will give to wi-fi modem, and from wi-fi you will access the internet, and it is having a lan interfaces also here. You can connect to your tv or your laptop to access internet. This is one way. And another way is through your mobile phone, 5G 4G, right? 5G. So in your mobile phone you have an antenna, and there is a tower, 5G tower. Through wireless you can access the internet. Okay. But if you see the tower, right, bottom of the tower there is a small room. In that room you will see, in that room you will see a routers. So whatever you see right at your home, this is a Wi-Fi router. This Wi-Fi router cost is just 2000 rupees, but real world the router's cost is 3 to 4 lakh rupees. So this Wi-Fi router will give you an internet connection to 250 people, but these routers will give you internet connection to lakhs of people. Okay. So what is this real world devices, routers? I will show you everything. Okay. So these are the two ways where we can get a internet connection. Is there any other way we can get a internet connection, guys? Can anyone guess it? Is there any other way?
Satellite.
Very nice. Satellite. Okay. Satellite. So through satellite, like how you are watching the TV channels, the Sun Direct, Tata Sky, right? So there is a antenna top of your roof. I mean, like your house. From there you will have a antenna. I mean, and from there you will connect to a modem. From modem to your connected TV, right? This is called, you know, to access TV channel. Same way we have a through satellite you can access internet. Same, you will have a some antenna top of your house. From there you will get a connection to your wi-fi modem. From there you will access the internet. So these are the three ways to access internet. Okay. However, however, how what exactly will happen at the back end of internet? Okay, let's understand this. Okay, now everyone using Instagram, right? Yes or no? Everyone using Instagram as well as YouTube. So suppose you have taken a selfie, that photo is consist of 4 MB or 5 MB, and you are uploading in Instagram. Just let's understand a high level overview, you know, how exactly your data, whatever the data you are uploading on your Instagram from your phone to server, how it is uploading. So every application will have a server, like Instagram, right? Instagram is the application, Android application you are installing on your mobile phone, right? YouTube is the application, Facebook is the application, whatever it is, WhatsApp is the application. These applications have a physical servers. That servers are located in data centers. Suppose this is a data centers, whatever you see, right? This is a data centers. In this data center you have a servers. So suppose consider Instagram. So whatever you are daily uploading your photos and videos, right? That videos are storing in data center storage servers. So Instagram will have a storage servers to store your customers data, like your whoever having a users, right? Every user data is storing in Instagram storage servers. Okay. How exactly it is storing? Okay. Suppose you have a router at your home, you connected to wi-fi. In mobile phone, sorry, in mobile phone or in laptop, you uploaded a photo. That photo is consist of 4 MB of file, right? Your photo or video will have some size, right? 4 MB of file. Once you uploading a photo on your Instagram, so the data start uploading, right? So first it will go to your home Wi-Fi router, your home Wi-Fi router to service provider router. So whoever is giving internet connection to you, right? Airtel Extreme or Geo Fiber or whatever it is. So that service providers will have a routers. Okay. So the data will go to their routers. So from here to the data center. Suppose the data center is located in somewhere in this world, in Netherlands or Ireland or India. India also they have a servers. Suppose it is located in Mumbai. You are sitting at your home. Okay. So from your service provider to the data center, okay, At every 30 kilometers, at every 30 kilometers, 30 to 40 kilometers, you will have a router. Okay, it means suppose I'm sitting in Hyderabad, the data center is located in Mumbai. Hyderabad to Mumbai, at every 30 to 40 kilometers, you will see a router. See, like how many routers? There will be a thousands of routers. They will be installed. Where you see the towers, right? These towers, these towers are located in orthogonal spectrum. Bottom of this tower, there is a room. If you see right here, let me share here. One second. What is that? Okay. Mobile tower room. If you see right, these are the rooms. So this is a mobile tower. At bottom of the mobile tower, you will see a small room. Inside the room, you will see these devices. What is these devices? These devices is called routers. Are you able to see my screen, everyone? There is a other telecom devices as well. Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Right? Okay. So there is a lot of pictures here. If you see right, see, this is a tower. Bottom of the tower, there is a room. So this is a tower, and there is a small room. So these towers are located randomly, right? At wherever you go, you will have a signal, Airtel or Geo signal. Those are the service providers, telecom service providers. Here they will install a routers from this tower to another tower. They lay a cable. That cable is called fiber cable. They lay a cable through underground, okay, and they will connect a towers to tower. So every 30 to 40 kilometers, you may see this tower. Bottom of the tower, there is a small room. There you will see these routers. Okay, it means these are connected like this. So you whatever the data you're uploading, it will go here from router to router. It will go here. So the server is located in data center, right? So the server is also a physical device. You need to give a internet connection to that server. So the server is also connected to the service provider routers. So between your mobile phone to the server, what what devices you will see? You will see a routers. At every 30 to 40 kilometers, you will see a routers. Those routers are connected through fiber optical cable. You see right, the black color cables on the top of the poles, that is called fiber optical cables. I'll show it to you now. Okay, so this is how your data is traveling. Your data you're uploading on laptop or mobile phone, it is traveling across the routers till the data center server. Can you please go on mute? Who is that? Okay, right. So this is a high level overview how your data is traveling across the internet. Whatever you say, hi, same like YouTube, same process for WhatsApp, everything. Okay, now these are the storage servers. See here, it is a server, and it is a storage servers. Whatever the data you are uploading in Instagram, right, it is uploading, it is saving here. These are the hard disks. Are you seeing it, guys? These are the hard disks. These hard disks, thousands of storage servers will be installed in these racks. This is called data center. This is a data center, and you will see these are the racks. Inside the racks, you will see these many servers. Let's see a real Google data center. So this is a Google data center picture, physical picture. You see, these all are servers. Okay, this is normal data center, traditional data center. You will see lot of servers. These are the storage servers, application servers. There is a different servers. Now you see right, these servers through LAN cables. You see here yellow color cables. These are connecting to, you see, top side. These are the TOR devices, top of rack. This is called what? Routers. Are you seeing it? In each and every rack, you will see this, right? This all physical servers are connected to these routers. Are you seeing it, guys, here? Hello. So now, once you completion of this course, you will handle these routers and switches. These servers are maintained by server engineers. However, these routers are right. These are handled by network engineers. Are you getting my point? All these servers are connected to our routers as shown in here. These are the servers. These are connected to routers, right? Like this. Same. This is a diagram and this is a real image. Are you seeing my screen, everyone? Are you seeing these switches here? These routers here, right?
Yes.
Can you see me my screen? Can
Yes.
anyone confirm? Yeah. So these all are servers. These servers are connected to the top of rack devices. These devices are maintained by our network engineers. Okay. So these routers will be located across the India at different locations. So at the internet backend, these are the routers and devices, routers and switches we use. Okay, I will show you what are the routers, what are the switches, how exactly it look like. Okay, now just understand this data center is located in India or somewhere else in Hyderabad. Now suppose there is a person in US, he want to access a data from India data centers. How exactly internet works? So currently you see, right, whatever the internet, I mean cricket match is going on, right, in Australia, you're watching on live. Whatever is happening in this world, you are watching on live. How exactly it is happening? So wherever you see in this world, if you have an internet, you will you will watch the cricket match or whatever it is on live. How exactly it is happening? Because in this world, all the countries are connected to each other through this fiber cable. Okay, this is a fiber cable. All the countries, how many countries we have in this world? 194 plus countries. All the 194 plus countries are connecting to each other. So that's where whatever the data centers are located in their countries, those data centers are connected through service providers. Those service providers are connected to each other. I think మీకు అర్థం కాలేదు. నేను వీడియో చూపించి చెప్తాను ఇప్పుడు. I mean image చూపించి. So now let's understand in India where exactly it is connected to other countries. Let's see. So before going to show that, this is the optical fiber cable we used. They laid through ocean, under ocean. You see, right? They have special ships to lay a fiber cable between the countries through under ocean. See, you can see, right? These are the fiber cable, and you see these are the cores. These cores made with glass. It means this is a fiber cable. These fiber cable will carry a data in the form of light, the laser. You may played with the laser, right, in your childhood, laser. So same thing, it will send a data in the form of light. What is the light speed we have? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It's a huge speed. Still we are not using this much of speed. We are using just 1 gbps, 2 gbps only. So 10 years back you have 3G only. So why 3G? Now we have 5G, 6G. See, the thing is, to support this much of speed, we don't have hardware in the year of 2013. Now we have a hardware processor, powerful processors to accept this much of data. Just imagine, after 10 years, you can't even imagine the things like you can control your home appliances like fan, your lights, everything through internet. Okay, so this is the fiber cable. This fiber cable can carry a huge data at light speed. It will send through light speed. Now we are laying a fiber cable through ocean, right? So there will be a sharks can eat these cables, they can bite these cables, right? To protect that, you will see the cladding. If you recall your intermediate or BTech subjects, right, fiber optical communications, there is a core and cladding you might heard. Vinnara, core and cladding, Vinnara. So this is called core, this is called cladding. So it will protect, you know, this fiber fiber cable from sharks. Okay, so these fiber cables are laid between the countries. So in India, which locations it is connected? One is Mumbai, another one is Cochin, Trivandrum, Tuticorin, Chennai. These are the 5 locations where India is connected to other countries. From Mumbai, it is connected to see here, Emirates, Oman, Yemen, and Cochin, it is connected to Maldives. Tuticorin, it is connected to Sri Lanka. Chennai towards Malaysia, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, like this, right? In this world, there are 194 countries. All 194 countries are connected to each other. That's why whatever the data, it is there in data center. Suppose in India, you have a lot of data centers. These data centers are connected to ISPs. They will go to here, and suppose you are in Egypt. So whatever the video, it is there in Mumbai data center, you are able to watch it. How? Because there is a physical cable connected to here, and that's how they are getting internet. Now you understand, right? Without having connectivity, how you will exchange your data? From here to through wireless, you can access the data. That is separate thing. Okay. So this is how the internet works. This is a back end of internet. Okay. Now in Vizag, the Google is going to develop a AI data center, right? Why? It's a coastal area, and they will going to lay a fiber cable through ocean, and they're connecting to Malaysia and other countries. Okay. It's easy to lay a fiber. Okay. It's easy to lay a fiber cable, in Vizag coastal area. And also government is also supporting, right? So that's why they're going to build a AI data center. What do you mean by AI data center? I will explain it in next slide. So this is a data center. Generally you will see a lot of servers. And now what is AI data center? I will explain it. Okay. So you understood, right? These data centers are connected to ISPs. How many internet service providers we have in India? Geo, Airtel, and Geo, Airtel. What is that? SIFI Technologies, Tata Communications, BSNL. All these are service providers. Okay, yeah. So all the data centers, your company networks are connected to these service providers, and that's how the internet is working. Okay. Now I'm going to explain one important thing about this networking domain. So you will lay the fiber cable, right? Suppose Mumbai to Chennai, there is 1,000 kilometers. Okay. So if you if you lay a fiber cable through underground, the fiber cable, you know what, the data will travel in the form of light, right? So the light signal also will lose some after traveling some distance. So after every 100 kilometers, the signal will lose. Okay. From Chennai to Mumbai, you have 1,000 kilometers. So the fiber cable, the light can travel up to 100 kilometers, it will stop it. Now what you need to do, you need to boost the signal, right? To boost the signal, we use DWDM devices, dense wavelength division multiplexing. If you are a ECE student, you might learn about WDM and DWDM technology in your ECE subjects. Anyone from ECE here? Anyone from ECE background? Okay. So these are the physical devices. These are the layer one devices. What these devices will do? These devices will boost the signals up to 100 kilometers. Now between to Mumbai and Chennai, there is 1,000 kilometers. So how many DWDM devices we need in this case? Can anyone give me a count?
10.
10, right? So 10 DWDM devices we need. They will install at every 100 kilometers. This picture I have taken in the year of 2016. Okay. This picture I have taken in the year of 2016. And if you see, right, this can this can boost the signal up to 100 kilometers. Now 2025, they developed a same DWM devices. They can boost the signal up to 800 kilometers. Now see how the technology is evolving. Now how many devices we need between Mumbai to Chennai? Now we need only 2 devices, right? So this is how the technology is evolving. And after 10 years, it is boom. Okay. Internet is evolving a lot. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Yeah. Now everyone is talking about AI, AI, AI. Okay. Hey, because of AI, our jobs are going vanished. Like, we are losing our jobs. See, AI is taking care of, coding. Actually, if you see, right, this is a website, Tungabadra Networks website. Are you seeing this website, guys? If you see this website, how is it? Is it okay? One second. Let me close this tab and open it again. There's a small glitch. Okay. So if you see my company website, right? Is it looks good? Okay. What is your feedback on this website? Is it looking good? All details. Is it fine? Hello, are you there, guys? Here,
Yes, yeah, yeah.
right? So I'm see this website is developed by me. I developed this website. I don't know what is HTML, CSS. I don't know any coding, but still I developed this website. Why? Because of AI. I just give a prompt and I build this website within 5 days. If I want to give this project to any software company, they will take minimum 4 to 5 lakhs. But I save the amount by building this website myself. You guys understand? That's how jobs are losing. See, the code, the logic is given by ChatGPT or any other tools easily. Okay, so the code, whatever it is in Java or Python, you will easily get that code. Okay, now humans are not required to, you know, write a code logic. Okay, but this is not related to coding, right? This is related to internet, the servers. See, that code, the AI, right? ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Perplexity, if they want to run at the backend, even Gemini, they need a devices, AI devices. That AI devices is called NVIDIA GB200. You may see in Instagram, right? Everyone, the Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, he's launching his own products. How many people are seeing NVIDIA stock going very high? He's a number one. I mean, he's a billionaire, right, in this world. So this stock is going high and high and high, and now it became a number one product in AI. So this is a device. See, this device is height is 11 feet. If you see, right, this entire device name is called NVIDIA GB200. Whatever the DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, right? Whatever the users are typing, you know, whatever the users are typing in your ChatGPT or something, the data request is coming to these NVIDIA devices. Understand? So these devices are processing it. If you want to image, that image is also processing, right? Who is processing? This NVIDIA. Initially, this NVIDIA is built graphics cards for computers. Now they're building these GPUs. So these are the super computers. Okay. Now the thing is, these devices are connecting to our routers and switches. See these yellow LAN cables. These are connected to our routers and switches. Who will maintain those routers and switches? Network engineers. We are the people. So even if the customers or internet back in see internet backend, you will see routers and switches and firewalls. These are the devices who carry the data and deliver to these AI devices. Okay, so you order a parcel, you order a phone from website. Okay, you order a mobile phone from website. If there is no delivery boys, will the product will be delivered? No, right? Same thing, the delivery boys here are routers and switches and firewalls. So without them, there is no internet, there is no AI, nothing. Now you tell me, if any link goes down, that AI will go and troubleshoot the link? If anything
No, sir.
happens, right? Now you tell me, the AI will take a network engineer jobs?
No.
No,
No,
no, no.
right? Now you know the concept. Now if you want to build the AI data center, they need us, they need network engineers, right? They need network engineers, server engineers, there are a lot of team. Network engineer is also one of the team. There are a lot of teams involved to build a data center, and networking team is a huge team. Okay, so yeah, so remember one thing, the routers, switches, firewalls are delivery boys in courier mechanism, right? Same way, whatever the data, if you're typing www.google.com on your browser, your request will travel across the internet. Who is carrying your request? These routers. Without these routers, there is no internet at the back end. So who will maintain these routers? We. Okay. So remember, this is GB200, and now all these hardware devices are built with Linux operating system. Remember, all the Linux operating system is a kernel operating system. Okay, I mean, they build with Linux kernel. They have a custom operating systems. By using Linux, you can build your own custom operating system also, but the basic is Linux. Okay, everyone should learn Linux basic. So here I'm teaching Linux for networking, not for administration. In Linux operating system, you have a lot of things like Windows client operating system, like you guys are using on your laptops. Server operating system is something is different. Okay, so same way Linux also. Linux for networking. In this networking domain, how much how much percentage the Linux is contributing, right? That everything will cover here. Okay, so let's understand, these are the hardware devices. These AI devices are manufactured by NVIDIA. And what is another device, another vendor? You can say, the can anyone guess it? One is NVIDIA graphics card. Another one is AMD. Have you heard about AMD?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes, sir.
AMD and Nvidia, these
Because
are the, yeah, these are the two things. Okay, yeah. Now Google is not using either Nvidia or AMD. They have their own chipset that is called TPUs. Okay, TPUs. So each and every product based company, they have their own AI chipsets. Google have TPUs, and Amazon is having Annapurna chip. It's name called Indian name, right? Our Annapurna is like a Telugu name, right? But Amazon using they named it as Annapurna. So Amazon have their own GPU name called, see it here. It's called Annapurna chipset. Where is that? Amazon AI chip. One second. Amazon AI chip. Yeah, see here Annapurna. Hmm. So see Amazon AI chip Annapurna. Am I pronouncing correctly? See, it refers to a Annapurna Labs.
yes,
It's
yes,
may
Ramesh.
see, you understood, right? So yeah, so they're building a chips, custom chips, okay, for their AI. Okay, each and every company, a $1 billion company is building their own chips. Whatever it is, whatever the chipsets, whatever the AI devices, that's okay. For our network engineers, doesn't matter. All chips are connected, all devices are connected to our routers and switches, right? నువ్వు ఏదైనా తీసుకో, నువ్వు ఎన్విడియా తీసుకో, ఏఎండి తీసుకో, టీపీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, నువ్వు నాకు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి ఎవరికి? రౌటర్స్ కి. ఓకే, సో మనం రౌటర్స్ కి స్విచెస్ కి అంత ఎలివేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాం హీరో లాగా, బికాస్ ఇన్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్ దోస్ గాయస్ ఆర్ ద హీరోస్. నౌ హీరో ఫస్ట్ లుక్ కావాలి కదా, మళ్ళీ రౌటర్స్ అండ్ స్విచెస్ హౌ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ లైక్, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద రౌటర్స్. ఆర్ యూ సీయింగ్ ఇట్ గైస్? These are the routers, how they are looking. You are seeing the routers at your home, Wi-Fi routers, that is cost of 2000 rupees. Now these are the routers which are cost of minimum 2 lakhs to, it will start from 2 lakhs, depends on the model. So the routers are, lot of routers are there, we have different models. So these routers are manufactured by the company called Cisco. Cisco is a company who is manufacturing all these routers. So in mobile manufacturers, you have Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, right? Same way, routers manufacturer, we have Cisco and Juniper. These two are top. In mobile phone, Apple and Samsung are top, right? Same in networking, Cisco and Juniper are top products. Okay, that's why whatever the demanded skills in current industry, I'm picking that and I'm teaching now. Okay, yeah. So these are the routers, how exactly it look like. And this router is ASR 9K, it is minimum, 9 crore rupees with all modules. Okay, you cannot even imagine, about this hardware. Those are too costly, guys, too costly. Okay, now these are the routers and these are the switches. These switches, suppose In Infosys or TCS company, just like a company, any company, there are employees, right? Each employee required a computer. All the computers are connected to where? The computers are connected to these switch, LAN cables. Okay. This is a 48 port switch. Up to 48 computers you can connect it to this switch. Okay. Of course, there is a uplink. Okay. So these switches are also a delivery boys. Okay. So routers and switches, who will handle it? Network engineers. Once you complete this training, you will get a network engineer job. You will work on these routers and switches. Okay. It means there is a protocols you will configuring on these routers and switches, that you will do it. Okay. Yeah. Now you see right clearly. These are the switches. These are the routers. These are the firewalls. Firewalls are very important. You understand routers and switches. Now firewalls is like a watchman. If any unauthorized person come enter into your organization, right? Watchman will stop it, right? Same way, to protect from hackers, threats, right? They will block the unauthorized traffic. They will only allow legitimate traffic, right? Whatever the traffic you want to access. In government offices, they will block Facebook, YouTube, and all websites. Okay. In India also, they will block TikTok. They blocked, right? How they block the TikTok? That internet exchange points here. See, internet is entering in these locations. Here they have a huge routers and switches, routers, firewalls. They build a firewall here. They blocked. They do not see internet is entering in our country in these 5 locations. All the 5 locations, they create a firewall rule and they will block the all Chinese websites. You guys are understanding? ఇది మన ఇండియాలోకి ఏదైనా మనం డిసైడ్ అవుతారు కదా, ఇవి చైనీస్ యాప్స్ బ్లాక్ చేయాలని, ఇక్కడనే బ్లాక్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పాయింట్స్. ఓకే. ఇక్కడే మన ఇండియన్ టెలికామ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సెంట్రల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, దే విల్ గివ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ టు దీస్ ఐఎక్స్పీస్. దీస్ ఆల్ కాల్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పాయింట్స్. ఓకే. ఐఎక్స్పీస్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి వీళ్ళు కనెక్షన్ తీసుకుంటారు. ఎవరు? యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ నెట్ ఆర్ లోకల్ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ కనెక్టర్స్, రైట్? దే విల్ టేక్ ఇన్పుట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. దే విల్ గివ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ టు ద customers. So even all ISPs, internet exchange points, maintains these firewalls. They will block the unauthorized 18 plus content and other things as well. Okay. Yeah. So switches, routers, and firewalls are very important behind the internet. We are giving a training on these 3 vendors. So out of these 3, we have a lot of vendors. Juniper, see, this is a Juniper. Now this Juniper company was sold to HPE. Now it is not a Juniper, it is HPE Juniper. HP company konesindi. Okay. It is now HPE Juniper. Okay. If you learn about Juniper, Juniper is good at service provider environment and data center environment. Okay, lot of companies are using Juniper product. So now HPE acquired Juniper. So this backend Juniper operating system, right? That was built with Linux. Every operating system built with Linux. That's why I'm giving Linux training here as well. Okay, I'll let you know. If you know about Juniper, if you learn Juniper, you can easily handle HP products. You can easily handle Huawei, Nokia also. So I will tell you how many companies we have. So first of all, you need to understand product-based companies. What do you mean by product-based companies? If the company is having their own product, either is a hardware, either it is a software, it is called a product-based companies. These product-based companies will give a salaries at huge level. Okay. So service-based companies called TCS, Infosys, Wipro, these all are service-based companies. They are working for these product-based companies. So if you join as a fresher in this product-based company, you will get a 1 lakh rupee per month. But if you join in any service-based company, you will get just 30,000 rupees per month. Okay. So these service-based companies will get a 1 lakh from product-based companies. They will take 70,000 rupees from your pocket and they will give you 30,000 to you. So now you just decide you want to get a job in product based or service based. As a fresher, it is very difficult to get a job in product based companies because only NITs, IITs, they will hire from NITs and IITs, that too through internships. Now the thing is, now there is no placements also for NIT, IIT. At least for experienced candidates, technical or non-technical, if you have 2 years of experience, Here I'm giving a training to get a job in product based companies. Lot of my students got a job in product based companies. I'll show you. Okay, so this training is all about how, what exactly. See, I worked in a product based companies called Juniper, Cisco, Nokia, Amazon, Oracle. They trained us like a, military training ఎలా తోముతారో అలా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తారు హై లెవెల్లో. They given a training to us at very high level. The same training I'm giving here to you guys. Okay, yeah. So now you understand, right? Behind the internet you will have these switches, routers and firewalls. These products are manufactured by these companies: Juniper, Cisco, Nokia and all. Okay, I will show you the company names also. Now, why networking is required? Without networking there is no internet. See, this is a rack. In this rack you will see all the networking devices. Are you seeing these networking devices here, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
yeah, now, does anyone is there in Kernel branch in this call? Hello? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా మన కర్నూలు బ్రాంచ్?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, we have a two branches. One is
ఉన్నాం
Kernel.
ఉన్నాం.
Yeah. We have a two branches. One is Kernel, one is Hyderabad. Okay. We have this live rack setup. I build a live infrastructure. Okay. I bought all the required devices. So you can directly practice on these devices. Lot of companies or institutions, they do not even touch. Even if you're working in a company, they don't allow you to touch these devices. Does any experienced candidates are here?
Yes, sir.
Right? I'm saying
Yes, sir. Right.
correctly?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah, so they didn't even allow you to touch. Okay, but for you, these devices are belongs to you. You can do anything, you can play with it, but don't break it. Okay, you can practice it, you can, you can do whatever you want to do it, whatever the protocols you want to learn it, but don't break it. Yeah. Now guys, can Kernel team, can you, you know open a camera, show it? Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys are seeing this? Can you please pin it? Pin
Yes, sir.
Cheva, Shiva, pin
Yes.
Cheva. So this is a live device. Same thing you just saw it in the image also, right? ఇందాక నేను ఏదైతే
Yes.
ఇమేజ్ లో చూపించానో అదే కదా ర్యాక్ ఇది. These are the
Yes, sir.
devices. These are the L2 switches, L3 switches, Juniper devices, Palo Alto devices. We have all the devices here. So some devices will be installed in the rack, some devices will be on the table. So students are practicing on live devices. I told you, right, 80% are all are real world labs here. Whatever I'm teaching, everything at packet level with Wireshark analysis, you need to implement the same labs on here so that you are getting a live practical knowledge. That's why my students are getting job very easily. Okay, also my experienced candidates, technical or non-technical, they are also getting job in product based companies with 200% hike, because it's all depends on skills, how you are learning a skills, how you are learning practically. Now, Hyderabad team, can you show the rack? Shiva, thank you Shiva, you can turn off it. Anyone from Hyderabad team here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, Sai, please can you turn on? Who is from Hyderabad? Sai? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm Pallavi.
Yeah, Pallavi. So guys, are you seeing the same rack in Hyderabad branch? You see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are the devices in Hyderabad branch, and also you see the table. Same, we arrange a table for students to practice on it. Amma, can you show me that tables? Yeah, this is a, see, these are the devices on the table. You have a board behind it. So the blue color device is called Palo Alto device. Okay. So these all are L3 switches, L2 switches, routers, firewall devices. Okay. Yeah. So can you show our classroom also in Hyderabad branch? This is our classroom. Yeah, I can see there are a lot of students. Okay, great. Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, what I'm showing you right now is, this is the racks. Okay, okay. So whatever we implemented in enterprise network, service provider environment, and data center environment, you will see this all racks, and we are teaching everything routing and switching and security. Okay. Now, why networking is required? Because behind the internet, these are the devices who giving internet connection to you. Okay, now These routers and switches are manufactured by these many companies. See, Cisco, Juniper, Nokia. Lot of people thinking that Nokia is made with only phones. No, man. Nokia, that making phones is just a small percentage. Nokia is manufacturing your 5G antennas. You're getting a 5G internet connection right now. So Nokia is, doing that. If you see your home Wi-Fi routers, 60% of the home Wi-Fi routers are making by Nokia only. Okay, check it. That is Nokia. All your Airtel routers, you're taking a Airtel Air Fiber and Airtel internet connection, right? All are for Nokia devices only. Okay. Yeah. So these all are companies. They develop a, they introduce a courses. So if you do those courses, you have a huge demand. The market. See, we have a three different architectures: enterprise architecture, service provider architecture. Service provider means you're giving internet connection like right Geo, Airtel, Vodafone Idea. These all are service providers. Enterprise means your offices, companies. Okay, your companies, there are thousand of employees. They need internet connection. That is called enterprise architecture. Data center means that companies who maintain a data centers, right? Like CFI Technologies, Google, Oracle, and Microsoft, GCP. There are a lot of AWS. All are having data centers. They're providing a cloud services. That is called data center technologies. Okay. Now the thing is, they are using Cisco products everywhere. So 60 to 70% of the market is, like using by Cisco. So that's why Cisco is very huge demanded course. So this is a CCNA first associate level, professional level, and expert level. Okay. Now Juniper is also a very demanded course. A lot of people doesn't aware of it. Go to Naukari. So line right now I'm showing you. See, go to Naukari. Naukari everyone know, right? You can apply jobs in Naukari, right? Search for
Yes, sir.
network engineer. Okay. Search for network engineer. Okay. Just search it. Select your, experience 0 years. Okay. Now open the job roles. I'm opening randomly job roles. Okay. If you see, right, you will see CCNA or JNCIA. See, are you seeing CCNA? Everywhere they call CCNA, CCNA, CCNA. Okay. If you see CCNA here, you see, right, CCNA certified or CCNA course completion. Wherever you go, CCNA is required. Wherever you go, CCNA is required. Okay. And immediately, if you see, right, JNCIA, type JNCIA. JNCIA is same like CCNA, Juniper Network Certificate Internet Associate. Okay, search for it. Okay, open any role. See here, either CCNA industry certifications such as CCNA or JNCIA. Guys, the thing is, lot of people only advertising CCNA. People doesn't know about JNCIA. No one is giving try. First of all, no one is giving training on Juniper product. Okay, here I'm giving JNCIA training and I'm providing a certification. Not what certification? Global certification. CCNA also I can provide, but the cost of CCNA certification is 35,000 only examination fee. But Juniper, it is 22,000 examination fee. And if you I will after the training I will conduct a exam. If you pass that exam, you will get 15,000 rupees discount. Okay, almost including excluding taxes, you will get JNCA global certification within 5,000 rupees. That is valid for 3 years. You can put the Juniper logo on your resume. See, lot of my students recently they passed Juniper exam. Okay, so we have a separate groups here. So if you see, these are the guys who passed the exam. See, November 12th, it means 4 days back. Yes or no? They passed the exam. This is a global certification. See, this guy also, okay, she's also passed at November 12th. She is just BTech fourth year. Okay, she's fantastic, guys. So she's doing labs every day. So she has completed her global certification At the age of 20, I guess 2021, she's studying BTech final year, 4-1 only now. So this is a guy, he also completed on November 8th, and he's also completed on November 8th. Okay. Yeah. This is a global certifications. You have to do it genuinely. Outside, if you want to do any certification, people are giving money to them and they're doing certification. Yes or no? Experienced candidates. Agree with me or not? That's how the
Yes, sir.
market is, right? So
Yes, yes, sir.
I
Yes,
don't encourage
Vamshi.
that. I don't encourage that. డబ్బులిచ్చి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడం ఏంది చండాలంగా. I really don't encourage that. That's why CCNA is a commercial. Money earning కోసం పెడుతున్నారు. But market, everyone is asking CCNA certified. Why, why companies are asking certified engineers? Why? Because if you are a certified, you are a partner of Cisco, and they will, get a 20% of discount of each product. ఈ Cisco devices కొంటారు కదా. These products will be minimum 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. So if they hire a certified engineers, they will get a discount. That is one advantage. Another one is they will get a more projects. Hey, we have a certified engineers, give a projects. A true company do not hire certified engineers. They will hire talented people and they will give a amount to them to certified. It means company will sponsor your certification amount. Company will pay for you. Okay. These startup companies are so-called business-minded companies. They are hiring certified candidates only to get, they want to, get a profits from you. Remember, IT environment is also a very selfish environment. Do not create emotions with the companies. Learn it, do a job for 1 year, 2 year, and switch it. That's it. Okay. So IT is purely commercial. They want to earn money, money, money. Lot of companies doesn't have ethics. The companies who are having ethics, right, they will hire a talented people. Okay. They will give a training, they will bear that amount, and they will also provide certification amount also. Once you pass the certification, you can claim it. See, I did a plenty of certifications. I did not spend single rupee from my pocket. Okay. I did a Nokia certification, Cisco certifications, Juniper certifications, but I did not spend single rupee from my pocket. Okay. Yeah. So certifications are important. Out of certification, right? CCNA and Juniper both are equal. Both are equal. So you will get equal opportunities. That's why Juniper certification, you can pass by your own. You can write the exam by your own at your home, or else come to our office or book any exam center. You can write your by your own, and that is 100% pass. You will pass it. Okay. Almost 125 members are passed so far. Okay. Yeah. Now guys, now after completion of the courses which you are providing here, ఇక్కడ మేము కొన్ని కోర్సెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కి. After completion of these courses, you will get a jobs, right? What kind of job roles you will see? So these are network engineer, data center, right? In data center, you will work as a network engineer. Okay. So I initially started my journey as a network engineer in data center. You can look at me, right? This is me in the year of 2016. So if you see, right, just Google it. In the year of 2016, APSFL. How many people know about this APSFL? APSFL is a Andhra Pradesh State Fiber Limited. It's a service provider provided by government of Andhra Pradesh. I worked for this project. Okay. So initially, go on mute. Please go on mute. Your noises are recording here. Sai Ram, can you please go on mute? Yeah. So this project will give you a triple play services like high speed internet to all the people. It's a very good project which was launched by Chandrababu Naidu Garu in the year of 2014. Okay. APSFL launch 2016 John T. Chambers. In Novatel, they launched it in they launched in Vizag in the year of 2016. Okay. So if you see, right, they launched in Novatel. You see this picture. APSFL launches fiber grid project in Vizag in the year of 2016, associated with Cisco. You see, right? I worked this project. John T. Chambers is who is John T. Chambers? He's a Cisco CEO. Okay, he came to India to launch this project. It's a very good project. Okay, if you see right here, Okay, he Chandrababu Naidu garu is like, man, see, I don't know how he got all the thoughts. Okay, the thing is, with 150 rupees, you'll get a triple play services like internet, high speed internet, IPTV, as well as phone services. It is a very good project. However, there is a company called TerraSoft. It is a startup company. They did some fraud things, and the project is not much grown well. Okay, after that government changes, now it is stable. Okay, it's a very good project for all the people, but technology is very good. I was worked with the Cisco team. I built a data center. This is a picture in DHQ. You see, right? DHQ, you see the DHQ here. The DHQ is called this only. Okay, APSFL. This is a building. You see, this is a building. Where is that? See photos. I don't see much photos. Okay, you see, right, the complex in Vizag. Oh my goodness. One second, guys. So you see this picture, right? So in the picture, first floor, you will see the data center. I worked here in the year of 2016. We build lot of servers. Whatever I'm touching, right, these are the DHCP DNS servers. Okay, whatever it is, guys. I worked in real world environment. I want to give you all the knowledge to you. Okay, now this is one role, network engineering data center. Another one is network analyst role. Analyst role means, in your organization, if anything happened, right, impact, any internet gone, and you see some impact, you need to analyze it. What is the impact happened? And you should provide a root cause analysis and make sure next time those issues will not occur. You need to take a action. You need to speak with respective vendors, respective teams, and make sure whatever the issues occur, right, that issues should not occur in future. So that is another role. And next one is knock role. This is a very common role for all the freshers, especially men and women. Okay, so guys, can you please imagine or guess it, how many routers or switches, routers will be there in one data center? Can anyone guess it?
Around 1 lakh.
Very good. 1 lakh, minimum 1 lakh routers. The thing is, all the routers, if anything happened to those devices, how you will come to know? Because they will use a monitoring tools. They will use a protocols called SNMP. Whatever happens on the device, like this is a device. In case if anything happened to this port, this port is down, or else this interface, this device is down. Immediately you will get a ticket. Okay, you will get a ticket and it will display here. Immediately you will check the ticket and you will talk to field engineer who is working in data center, and you will resolve the issues. This is called NOC, network operation centers. All devices you can monitor here. Monitoring team, you might heard about monitoring team. Okay, yeah. Now L1 network engineer, you will get a job in as a L1 network engineer. So you will not get a edit access. You can log in the devices. You can only run show commands. It means you don't make any changes on the devices. Okay, yeah. And next one is network administrator. Like if you see hospitals or government organizations, you have a server team. So in small enterprise architectures like your hospitals or malls or government offices, all the devices they are maintaining, including systems also. Okay, routers, switches, everything. So network administrator can handle entire companies. Just imagine, wherever you go, even in hospitals also, you will see network engineers. So that's why non-technical engineers, you may work in different organizations as a non-technical, right? Don't worry, wherever you go, you have a networking team, right? So your experience will be converted into networking, IT networking. This is a very good, and this is the only domain where you can move to IT. All non-IT people, this is the only platform you can move into IT. Does if you want to move software domain, right? So if you're working in a banking system, so bank in either in a bank or hospitals, if you what you will tell to your company, I worked in a hospital as a software engineer. Does it make any sense? Tell me, do you see software engineers in hospitals? No, right? But you will see network engineers in hospitals. Whatever you see the big hospitals, private hospitals or malls, there is a server room. Okay, yeah. So whoever need internet, whoever need internet, there should be a one network engineer. Okay, and another one is network engineer in service provider. So service provider environment is like Geo, Airtel, your broadband connections. Like Hyderabad, you have a active fiber net. So there are a lot of broadband ISPs. We have people who are working as a network engineer, right? L1. So initially you will give. So this is a best platform. A lot of people are working in a broadband companies for long years. Now this is a best opportunity, guys. Learn like what exactly you will configure on the devices, and now you can move to the proper core networking team. Okay, in different companies. So here I'm giving a training on core networking. Core in the sense it's connected with each and every technology. If you learn the core technologies, you can easily understand other things. Okay, yeah. The next is stack engineer. This is a role where I worked for 4 or 5 years, 4.5 years. Okay, stack engineer, this role you will only see in product based companies. Okay, this role you will see only in product based companies. What do you mean by TAC engineer? Technical assistance center. So the thing is, if you buy a iPhone, if anything happened to your iPhone, you'll go to the service center, right? He will check what happened exactly. Same thing, they will buy a routers and switches for the respective company. Cisco routers, they bought it. In case if anything happened to this Cisco routers, they will contact the TAC engineer. It means hardware level as well as protocol level, each and everything they're master in network, all the concepts for the product. So already your local company network engineer will check it. In case even they are not handling the issues, they'll contact you tag engineer. Tag engineer is the highest role, technical role in networking. Okay. So how many companies we have? Cisco, Palo Alto, FortiGate, you know, Barracuda, Sophos, Checkpoint. These all are UTM firewalls. Arista, every data center, using Arista now. Cisco, Arista are brothers. These two guys are brothers. Okay, under the same umbrella. Huawei, Juniper. Now these are same. Okay, all these companies, you have plenty of product-based companies. So software engineers, it is very hard to move to product-based companies. But network engineers, networking team, you can easily move to product based companies after having 2 to 3 years of experience. Guys, this is the best domain where you can move from non-IT to IT, as well as move from service based company to product based companies. Okay, see, I studied in normal KV Subbareddy college in Karnool. How many people know KV Subbareddy College? I don't know. Just Google it. It's a normal KV Subbareddy, normal college. But when I working in Amazon, right? My colleague is a IIT candidate. He's a IIT Mumbai. Okay. Now you tell me. I studied in Subbareddy College and my colleague is IIT Mumbai. But we are drawing the same package. Okay. So the matter here is skills. Skill does matter. Okay, so I joined this organization. I will tell you about my story also. Okay, and now next is cloud network engineer. Nothing, guys. Whatever the cloud companies we have GCP, AWS. GCP means Google Cloud Provider, and AWS, Amazon Web Services, and
Azure also, sir.
IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud. Okay, we have a lot of clouds, Microsoft Cloud. So in the cloud environment, if you're working in as a network engineer, it is called cloud network engineer. It's the same role. Okay. Now this is Amazon data center. How beautiful it is, right? Yeah. Now it is about me to all my boys. So freshers especially. I'm not sure how many freshers are here. To everyone, I started my journey as a field engineer. Field engineer means you can just travel and visit the site. That's it. You will do everything technical work only. You may see this kind of racks at everywhere. Government organizations, hospitals. So this is one of the government organization. How you will identify it is a government organization? By using this monitor. See this monitor. This is in the year of 2014, guys. Almost how many years? 12 years back. Okay, so in the year of 2014, this is me. I started this journey. I implemented these enterprise projects. Okay, I worked for a treasury department. Then I moved to APSFL. Just now I show you, right? So I worked on WDM devices. See, these are the ASR 920 devices, ASR 903 devices. Okay, after working in 4 years, I moved to the Infosys. Infosys was my dream company. So when I was looking for a job, right, I've written a exam in Infosys, okay, for fresher. But when I was going into that location, the after seeing the buildings, I was like, oh my God, what kind of buildings these are? Where what I like I was like, impressed. I want to get a job in Infosys, but after joining Infosys, I didn't see anything. Only entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. You know what? How service-based companies works. For all experienced candidates, once you join in service-based company, first they what they will do, they will put you in bench, and then you need to give a internal interviews again, client interviews. Once you give a client interview, then only they will put you in project. Otherwise, you will still in bench. Okay, I'm not sure now they're following the same method. They're not allowing you to stay in bench for more than 1 month nowadays. Okay, yeah. So do not don't work in service based companies. I'm strongly recommended to you guys. Even if you work in a startup companies, you have an opportunity to work on a lot of things. Ultimately, in which company you are working is doesn't matter. That does matter for only for your parents to show off the things. Yes or no? Hey, my son is working in TCS, my son is working Infosys. That is for, to show off the things. But the real thing is for you, what skill you are working on. Skills does matter here. Even you are working in a big company, if you're not working on a good skill, that doesn't make any sense. You are pulling your legs. Okay. So I identified quickly. I was working at the time. I have a 4.5 years of experience. They mapped me in SAP project. SAP. I told them, hey, I'm from networking background. Why are you mapping to this SAP project? They said, yeah, when you see you sign on offer letter, right? When you see, right, in any service-based companies, big companies offer letters, you will see 20, 30 papers. Okay. So in the 20, 30 papers, there is a point. Whatever the company requires, whatever the technology, you need to learn it, you need to adopt it, and you need to do for company. Okay, we should not read those many pages, right? Generally, see, experienced candidates, once you get your offer letter in service based companies, you will see a booklet. Anyone from Infosys, TCS here? Does anyone from any service based companies like Wipro or any service based company? So you see, if you offer letter, right, there are 30 to minimum 20 to 30 pages, right? Generally. So that's what I told them. Hey, I was a CCNA certified. I don't want to enter into the SAP domain. Then they said, hey, we'll give you red flag. Whatever the flag you want to give it, but I don't want. Okay. So they didn't give any flag. They just mentioned skill mismatch. Then I immediately resigned here. Then I joined in Juniper, a product-based company as a tech engineer. At that time, I don't know what is Juniper. I only know Cisco. I joined as a Juniper tag. That's where I learn everything at packet level. What do you mean by packet level? See now, there is a tool called Wireshark. So are you seeing my screen, guys? Currently, what exactly I'm
Yes,
doing?
sir.
You can do Wi-Fi. How I'm getting internet connection through Wi-Fi, right? See, I'm taking a packet capture of my Wi-Fi. See, this is a live data. What exactly I'm doing at the back end? This is my 1.11 is my computer IP. These are the server's IPs. See, this is a live data which is currently going from my computer. Whatever my voice is, right, my voice is also data which is leaving from my computer. Okay, this is a live packet capture. So I will open a packet, I will open each and every field, and I will tell you during the class of CCNA. This packet level analysis you will learn from day one only. Everything is practical nowadays. All the network engineers, they should focus on packet capture. 10 years back, if they're asking some basic theoretical questions, people will get a job. Now the thing is different. If you have a practical knowledge, then only you will survive in this domain. I will tell you an example. So there is a team from Tata Communications. They are delivery managers. They are having 18 years of experience in networking domain, and they got laid off. You know why? It's a Tata company, and they're thinking like it's a government job, and they did not concentrate on their skills, and now they're at higher cadre, and they got laid off, and now entire team, almost 14 members, joined here in the month of April 2025. They took your core internship, and then they learn everything at packet level. They learn everything in advance. Okay, service provider, right? Especially MPLS, we teach everything there. And now they are in a good position in different company with the hike of 30% hike they got it. Okay, their packages was 28 LPA even though they got laid off. Okay, so you understand, right? the power of packet level. If you learn these concepts with packet level analysis, then only you will get a job in product based companies. Okay, so for freshers, right, my training is equal to 10 years of experience candidate. Like who are having 10 years of experience, right, that kind of knowledge you will get. The training is equal to for all freshers and experienced candidates. It is not different. For all of you, I'm giving a equal training. Okay, you all freshers are blessed to learn very advanced things. Okay, yeah. Now this is 4 years, right? After that, I joined in Infosys, then Juniper to Nokia. Nokia, it was in lockdown, right? So I did not join. There is no picture in of Nokia in lockdown. Then I moved to Amazon. Now I'm in Oracle. Okay, this is my journey. See where I started now where I am right now. So during that time, my package was 8,000 per month. After cuttings, I used to get 8,000 per month. Now per month 75,000 tax I'm paying per month. The tax deductions. My package was 40 LPA right now. Okay, so only for fixed pay, guys. Okay, you know what? If you see in MNCs like product based companies like Microsoft, Google, they will give you 1 crore package, 2 crore package. Out of 1 crore, out of 1 crore, not everything is cash. Only 30 lakhs is cash, remaining 70 lakhs is shares. Okay, remaining 70 lakhs is shares. Just understand that shares they will give it to you. You can sell it or you can keep it in your account. Okay, now just imagine this is my only fixed pay. Remaining shares, you just imagine yourself. Okay, now I resign from Oracle. I'm taking care of my Tungabadra Networks company. Okay, so why I'm leaving this huge package? Because lot of people are getting jobs, they need me, and I'm happy with this. Because you know this is what my journey is. This is where I came from. Okay, money you can earn anywhere, but the satisfaction after getting a job, you guys are showing gratitude, right, that I cannot earn with money. Okay, I'm enjoying the student successes. Okay, so yeah, the pay scale of each role is for freshers minimum 2.5 LPA we're giving here. Okay, minimum 2.5 LPA we are giving here. We means my clients. We have associated with a lot of clients. Initially, I don't have any clients, guys. నాకు ఒక client లేదు initially. నా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ చేస్తుంటే వాళ్ళు చెప్పే ఆన్సర్స్కి షాక్ అయ్యి వాళ్ళే మమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యారు. అలా నాకు క్లయింట్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యారు. యూ గైస్ అండర్స్టాండ్? దట్ ఈస్ ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ స్కిల్. I did not approach any client. Based on my student skill set, they impressed during interviews and they contacted us. Currently, we are having associated with a lot of clients. For experienced candidates, you don't need to bother. You have a lot of opportunities. Personally, I have a lot of contacts. I'm also referring to the people. Okay. So for freshers, minimum 2.5 LPA to 4.5 LPA, and experienced candidates, it is depends on your skill. So remember one thing, experienced candidates, based on your skill set only your package will be decided, not with experience. Even people are having 10 years of experience, they have only 5 LPA. My student, she got, see, you see her interview on YouTube also, it went viral. Okay, so she has only 2 years of experience and now she got a job in Juniper. I referred her in Juniper. She cracked all the 7 rounds and now she got 16 LPA. Her package was just 2.5 LPA. 2.5 LPA to 16 LPA. How much percentage of hike it is? Okay, so it is like that only. Okay, so if you see here, I will show you. Okay, so the thing is, product based companies will not look into your your current package. They will look into your skills. If the skills are matched, right, whatever the slab it is, they will give that amount to you. Okay, for all experienced students, okay, please focus on product based companies. Okay, yeah. Okay, once you get a Juniper certificate, Juniper exam, right, once you complete it, you'll get a certification like this. It is valid for 3 years. Okay, this is a score reports I just show you. And night shifts, definitely we are providing 24/7 environment, right? So night shifts definitely will be there. You need to work like this. And this is my team. Okay, I will tell you, about my team. But before that, I want to address some few questions, common questions. Okay. So before going to address, just want to show you, this is a group. For all freshers, we have a freshers job placements. Once the course is completed, we will take a mock interviews. Once you clear the mock interviews, we will prepare your resume. We will start referring you to the clients. Okay. Suppose we have a bulk hiring, like, so this is a DPJ Telecom. Okay. We are conducting a interviews. These guys are the selected candidates. Okay. So they are attend. See, we are referring the candidates. Some companies are approaching us. They want a bulk hiring. Okay. So they need a huge number of candidates. Okay. We'll create a WhatsApp group for the specific client, and we will conduct a interviews. Okay. Now like this, you have a UV Cyber. Okay, I'm not in the part of this group. Okay, yeah. So there are a lot of groups. So if you see, right, freshers, for all freshers, you have a freshers. We will always providing links to there to apply jobs. And if any client is asking us, right, we'll immediately contact with you. Every day 10 a.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. we have a meeting for freshers placements. Every day at 11 a.m. we will take a meeting, and there we will provide you all the job availabilities, roles, and whatever the vacancies we have, everything. Okay, yeah. So recently lot of people are selected. Okay, so if you see right here, uh yeah, recently this guy got selected when on November 4th. He's a fresher. Okay, he's a fresher. And now, uh experienced candidates, non-technical. So he's a non-technical guy. So Moveit is another company where you can, uh, get a tag roles in Moveit. Did I share that? Yeah. Let me see here in new. Yeah, what I'm trying to show you is these are the recently people who got selected. The touch, and this, see, he got in October 30. So he's a non-technical guy. His name is Kiran. He's a non-technical guy, but he cracked in Moveit as a TAC engineer. As a TAC engineer with 110% of hike. You see, right, in 9 LPA, it's everything. See, there are a lot of people, you know, uh, this is not my personal account. My personal account is different. Oh my God, my phone is switched off. So I have a WhatsApp. Okay, the thing is, this is my office WhatsApp. Okay, I have very few roles. I think, Sai, you have updated all the people in website, right? Let me see in website. Have you updated, Sai? Yeah, yeah, these are the candidates who got a job, man. So far we didn't update it. Lot of people, we have only few people we have updated. Yeah, these are only last candidate. Okay, so these are the candidates, they given a permissions to update their photos in our website. A lot of people don't want to, uh, uh, show themselves is in public, right? So yeah, so lot of people, guys. So if you see in YouTube, right, in YouTube, you will find the success stories. You may see in YouTube. Okay, so Uma, she's a girl. She's also a non-technical girl. Look at her success story. She got 650% hike. What I'm saying is, for all non-technical people, technical people, skill does matter. Skill, packet level skill does matter. You can get a job anywhere. Okay, without having skills, nothing. For freshers, after completion of training, we will take a mock interviews, and we can refer to the clients. For experienced candidates, you need to complete courses, and then we will, after completion of real time projects, and we will prepare your resume, we will send it to you. For non-technical people, Anna, I have a sales manager, I have, my designation is different. Forget about designations. Designation doesn't matter here. Okay, so the company will check whether you are a true employee or not. It means you have a genuine experience or not. If you have a proper relieving letter, proper experience letter, right? If you have a proper relieving letter, proper experience letter, you are an experienced person. If you don't have any relieving letter, pay slips, you're not considered as an experienced guy. రిమెంబర్ వన్ థింగ్, అందరికీ చెప్తున్నా, మీరు మీ వద్ద కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేసినట్టు ప్రూఫ్ లేకపోతే మీరు ఫ్రెషర్సే. ఒకవేళ మీ దగ్గర ప్రూఫ్ ఉంది, రిలీవింగ్ లెటర్ ఉంది, పే స్లిప్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్ ఏదైనా పర్లేదు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళని అడ్రస్ చేస్తున్నా. టు ఆల్ నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద రోల్ ఇట్ ఈస్, డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. So in background verification, they will check you whether you are an employee of this company or not. For technical skills, they will check you in interview whether you worked in a technical environment or not. Here you are learning with live projects, you can convey the same in interview. Okay, and education, what is that? Career gap and education gap. Career gap students, okay, whoever having career gap, even as a fresher or experience, some people are having career gap. I have worked for 2 years, after that I have taken a career gap, doesn't matter. Career gap doesn't matter. Lot of people approaching to the consultancies, they're telling I have a career gap. They're taking a advantage of your career gap, and they're suggesting to put fake experience. Don't go in your wrong direction. Don't go with fake experience. They will they will take a money and they will, throw you out. Okay, after 1 month you will face lot of issues. Do not, never ever go in a wrong direction. Always, అది కష్టమైన ఏదైనా సరే రైట్ డైరెక్షన్లో వెళ్తే ఎప్పుడోసారి సక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. డోంట్ గో ఇన్ టు రాంగ్ డైరెక్షన్. Thousands of students are facing these issues. What? I have a career gap, I'm 2013 passed out, and I'm so there is a huge career gap. Companies will not know, nothing like that. If you have a career gap, just tell them why you have a career gap. You are preparing for a government jobs, right? Tell them. So for your career gap, right, go to the lawyer and prepare a affidavit. Okay, I was preparing for a government jobs, it is just cost of 500 rupees. Just take a affidavit from lawyer and tell them, hey, I have a genuine career gap, and this is the affidavit, that's it. And now prepare here, do a certification, see I have this much of skills, and you can apply for a job. Don't worry, my clients are looking for a good candidate. So if you have a proper skills, I will refer you to my clients for experienced candidates and non-technical and technical, everyone. Okay na? So we have tied up with a lot of clients. All they need is skills and your good behavior. You should have a good behavior and you should have a good skills, that's it. Okay, yeah. So career gap people, don't worry. Okay, now the next one
Hello,
is,
sir.
1 second, I will take all your questions after explaining everything. ఓకే, సో కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి నీట్గా చెప్తున్నాను ఇది. కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరు ఉంటారు? ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్, టెక్నికల్ అయినా నాన్ టెక్నికల్ అయినా, యూ కెన్ యునో యూ కెన్ అప్రోచ్ అస్. ఓకే, వి విల్ టెల్ యూ. ఓకే, నౌ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఈస్ విచ్ కోర్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, let me tell you, this is a last term thing, I'm not sure, this is not edited. Okay, these prices I'm not aware of it, you can contact my team. Okay, what is these prices? Okay, the thing is, for freshers we design a fresher internship. For experienced candidate we designed a core internship. Okay, to all freshers, I told you, right, freshers everevaru, people who are not working at all, they are freshers. People who are working, if they don't have any proof, they are also a freshers. Okay, this is fresher internship group. In this group we teach you CCNA plus Juniper. Okay, in these courses you will get a communication skills and personality development skills. This course is absolutely free, and Linux for networking training also free. Okay, communication skills and personality development, see this is very important. Lot of my students are facing with communication skills, so we are providing free communication skills, also personality development skills. It means how to interact with your peers, how to send a proper official emails, everything we will cover here. Okay, it is a free communication skills and personality development skills, and Linux for networking, which is very important, everyone. Okay, yeah. Now this is fresher internship program. In the fresher internship program you will see JNCIA, and we will assist you for certification also, and certification amount you must pay it. Okay, certification amount you must pay it. However, we'll help you to get a discount of 15,000 rupees. Okay, So CCNA, Juniper, and Linux and communication skills training. Everything will cover in this fresher internship program. The cost of fresher internship program, I think it is updated in website. That will be tell you by my managers. What is the cost of freshers internship program? You can ask them. Okay. Now coming to core internship, right? Core internship. Who should take core internship? Experienced candidates. Please go on mute. All please go on mute. Vinay, can you please go on mute? Vinay or someone? Not sure who is that. Okay. So for all experienced candidates, who are experienced candidates? For non-technical people or technical people, you're working in a company, you have a proper proofs, experience letters, pay slips, right? You guys are experienced candidates. Please take core internship program. This core internship program consists of CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto. These three courses are major course. Along with that, JNCA training, okay, this certification, JNCA training and communication skills, line is for networking, and the major important thing is real-time networking project. What do you mean by real-time networking projects? Like how you will get a P1, P2 tickets, what are the monitoring tools you use, what are the ticketing tools you use, what kind of tickets you will get, like complex tickets, like complex means like bug issues, like protocol down issues, packet loss issues, scenario based questions like product based companies, how they will ask you, right? Everything will cover in this real time project. Okay. So this course, along with these three courses, everything will be free in the year of core internship. I think this is a fee. You can ask my team. Okay. 36,000 plus GST. I'm not sure. You can talk to Vamshi. So this is my technical team members. Okay. So managing director and primary contacts. If you want to know the course fee details, contact these two numbers. Okay. Chaitanya and Varshini. I'm going to paste you on here. దయచేసి అందరూ please save these numbers. Okay. Okay, these are the two numbers. You can contact them about course details. They will explain you each and everything very clearly and neatly. Okay, and Juniper examination fee is $236. If you write an exam, right, you will get a discount of $156. So you will get a Juniper certification within $55. It may be around 5,500 around. Okay, yeah. So that will be the global certification. These are the two internships currently we are providing. Fresher internship, core internship. Who will take fresher internship? Whoever is freshers. Who will take core internship? Experienced candidates. ఇవన్నీ కాదు, I want to only enroll CCNA, it's up to you. If you want to only enroll CCNA, that is up to you. You can take it. But the packages, everything, skill does matter. Currently, this is designed as per the industries. If you have a skill, see, currently, DPJ Telecom is came, right? This client is requiring Linux skills. This client is requiring Linux skills. They need 30 profiles. See, see, I told you, right? Linux, JNCIA, CCNA for freshers is very important. If you know this combination of skills, you'll get a good package and you'll get more opportunities. These courses are designed especially as per the industries. Okay. And now every day the class will be recorded. The recorded session will be provided to you every day. Some people may miss the classes, right? So every day the classes will be recorded. All the classes are online. Once the class is completed, you can go to office and practice it. This is my technical team. This team will help you. Karnool, we have a technical members, and Hyderabad, we have a technical members. You can go to office and start practicing it. My team will help you. People who are not able to go right, just ask my technical team. These are the technical experts. Ask them. They will send you a Google Meet and they will resolve the issue. We will available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. IST remotely, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. IST physically. Okay. All the thing is కోర్స్ ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళు whoever is enroll the course, right? If you need any technical support, my technical team will be available. They will send a meeting link and they will resolve you. Okay, that is the case. So the support we are giving here is 100% support we are giving here. Okay, yeah. So I hope I covered everyone. First of all, career gap students, career gap people, even if you have a career gap, doesn't matter. If you don't work anywhere, you don't have any relieving letter, you will be the fresher. If you are working for 2 years, 3 years, you have a career gap after that, no problem, that 3 years experience will be applicable. You learn a subject, do a certification, refresh your skills and try it. Okay, this is all about it. Now you can throw your arrows on my face, I can take it, I can answer your questions. Okay, thank you, that's all for today, and thank you so much for your patience.